Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to get your notes back on Instagram. So one of the reasons why your notes disappeared, probably because you set your account on the personal mode. So if you did that, probably that will happen, which is the notes will automatically disappear. So what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead in your profile at the below right corner, move on to the next step, which is click the three bars at the top right, move on to the settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the account, and here you're gonna see switch to a professional account, and just go ahead and follow the steps by adding which criteria are you in, like a creator or maybe entertainer or whatnot. Just do that, and afterwards you're gonna set your professional mode, and you're gonna see this notes getting back right here, up here. But if you are like me in the personal mode, and you actually or in the business mode, and you actually haven't gotten the notes, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the general, and in the general you're gonna just move on to the iPhone storage. Wait off for a few moments until you see the many apps inside. Scroll a little bit down until you find the Instagram. And what we gotta do here, we gotta just auto to move on to the Instagram. Let me just search for it, which is right here. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just delete the app and confirm, which will happen afterwards. Instagram will force the update to the latest version and will add the new features right away. Okay? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.